The Gulf states, a collective term for the oil-rich nations on the Arabian Peninsula, are known for their economic prowess, their towering skyscrapers, and, increasingly, their investment strategies. In recent years, a trend has emerged: these nations are investing heavily in North Africa. But why? The Gulf states, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, and Oman, have seen their fortunes rise dramatically over the past half-century due to the discovery and exploitation of vast oil reserves. This wealth has provided them with an excess of capital, which they've invested across the globe. However, the region of North Africa has become a particular focus. North Africa, a region that encompasses countries like Egypt, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Morocco, and Sudan, is attracting investment from the Gulf states for several reasons. Firstly, North Africa's strategic location, as it links the Middle East with Europe, Africa and the Atlantic Ocean, making it a prime hub for trade and commerce. The proximity of North Africa to the Gulf states also plays a role. The short distance allows for greater cultural, economic, and political understanding, making North Africa a more attractive and less risky investment prospect compared to regions further afield. One of the major sectors that Gulf states are investing in is real estate. Morocco and Egypt, for example, have seen significant investment from UAE-based companies in their property markets. The North African property market is less developed and more affordable than many other markets, offering high growth potential. The agriculture sector in North Africa is another area of interest for Gulf investors. With water scarcity being a major issue in the Gulf region, investing in the fertile lands of North Africa helps secure food resources for their own populations. Gulf states are also heavily investing in North Africa's renewable energy sector. Morocco's ambitious solar power projects have attracted substantial Gulf investment, while wind power projects in Egypt have seen similar interest. It's not just economic factors driving this trend. There are also significant political motivations. Investing in North Africa allows the Gulf states to project their influence and secure alliances in a geopolitically strategic region. Furthermore, this investment trend is also a part of the Gulf states' economic diversification strategies. With oil reserves finite and the impact of climate change urging a global shift towards renewable energy, these countries are looking to diversify their economies to ensure future stability and growth. For North African countries, this influx of investment can bring a range of benefits. It can lead to job creation, boost local economies, and help develop infrastructure. However, it can also present challenges. One potential challenge is the issue of economic dependence. There is a risk that these countries could become overly reliant on Gulf investment, which could have political and economic ramifications. There can also be issues around land ownership, particularly when it comes to large-scale agricultural investments. Ensuring that local communities are not adversely affected by these investments is crucial. Despite these challenges, it seems likely that the trend of Gulf investment in North Africa will continue. With the Gulf states looking to diversify their economies and expand their spheres of influence, and North Africa offering promising investment opportunities, this trend is set to shape the region's future. The exact trajectory this trend will take, however, remains to be seen. As the global economy continues to evolve, and as both the Gulf states and North Africa navigate their own unique challenges, this dynamic will undoubtedly continue to shift and change. Investment is more than just a financial transaction. It's a signal of confidence, a means of influence, and a tool for development. The Gulf states' investment in North Africa is all of these things. As this story continues to unfold, the world will be watching. Thanks for watching Middle East Info. Your likes, shares, and subscriptions help us bring you more in-depth content about the Middle East. Keep engaging with us as we continue to explore this fascinating region together.